हाय गुरुवार। मैंने कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू टुडे? मुझे स्टेटमेंट मिल सकता है क्या? मेरे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स का रिटर्न्स कितना हुआ? मेरे लाइफ इंश्योरेंस का प्रीमियम कभी ड्यू है? व्हेन इज द हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ड्यू? ये सब सवाल आपके मन में तो आते ही होंगे एज एन इन्वेस्टर। एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट यू हैव ए चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ऑल्सो who would be seeking the capital gains and loss statements. कहाँ से निकालोगे आप इतना सारा डिटेल? Where do you get it all from? Confusion, na? Too much of time, too much of waste and sheer waste of energy. What if I told you that I will solve all of your questions that I just asked in just a jiffy and I give the power into your palms? Will it not be nice? Of course it will be. Would you want to know more? Let's then dive into the same and let's see what kind of solutions do I have for you today. Take a quick tour. Once we have the user ID password, let's log in. This is the page that opens up for you, which will show the current value, the gains as well as absolute return. Also the asset allocation in terms of equity and debt, and the recent purchases and redemptions done in various schemes, along with the dates and amount. In terms of report, we have the current holdings, mutual funds, shares, fixed deposit and other assets, along with its folio numbers and scheme names can be added, and then the reports can be downloaded too. Portfolio summary and allocation analysis is the same thing. Capital gains statements can be downloaded as well for your chartered accountant. Mutual fund, shares, fixed deposit details along with life insurance, general insurance, health insurance can be added. My SIPs will give you the folios and the scheme names along with the amounts that you have been investing on a monthly basis. The goal planner is a basic tool which will help you assign goals to your schemes. We can also invest online, add new investments into the card, or add investments into the existing portfolio. In terms of my documents, KYC documents can be stored here along with a risk profiler which is present for all the investors who can take it on a yearly basis. Over to the mobile app now.
During this lockdown phase, take this opportunity to bring forward an app that helps you track your investments at the tip of your finger, anytime, any place and anywhere. Welcome to Mint. Once you log into the platform, all your investment and insurances routed through us will reflect under this app. This is the introductory page of our app Mint, where you can see the portfolio valuation, the asset allocation, and some quick financial tools available at your disposal. Apart from that, there are other three options, namely portfolio, transactions, and menu. Let's go and understand each and every option individually. When I click on portfolio, it will give me the entire portfolio valuations that I've invested till date. Apart from mutual funds, I also have the option of entering the share and bond detail, the fixed deposit detail, and any other assets that I wish to enter under my portfolio for a holistic view. Apart from this, we also have an option of transactions where we can also track the recent transactions that we have done over the last 1 week or 1 month or 1 year. The third option is the most important option. Here you can make a new investment, you can have a quick lookup on your portfolio, individual folio numbers, you can even generate the capital gain account statement that you need to send it to your chartered accountant at the end of the financial year. Here I just need to select the financial year that I wish to generate the capital gain statement for. I have the option of generating three types of report: a summary report, a detailed report, and an ITR report. If I click on detailed report and download, let's see what happens. It gives me the individual transaction wise detail for every transaction of buy and sell that I have done from 1st of April 2019 till 31st of March 2020. Let's understand how can we view our portfolios for all the investments done by us. On the home page, I can see the option of portfolio. When I click on that, it first gives me a holistic view of the investments done by me and the current valuation. If I click on my name here, all the investments done by me as first holder will start reflecting in the debt and equity category. Individually scheme wise, you can see the amount of investments made and the current valuation and the returns that I have generated on the individual portfolio. If I click on a specific scheme that I wish to check, I can see the total amount of investment, the market valuation. Apart from that, I can also generate a draft statement of account to understand which is the date on which the transaction has happened. Again, if I click on folio details, it will give me the mode of holding, the tax status, the date of birth and other information that I have already entered into the system. While we have given the option of transaction under each and every scheme available under your portfolio, we would sincerely recommend you to consult us before you take any action in terms of purchase, switch or redemption. Sincere request to please get in touch with your financial advisor always before you conduct any transaction, because a financial advisor is aware of your goals and can help you sail through the tough times. Now let's go to the menu option to see some more interesting features that we have made available for you under this app. Once I go to the menu option, it gives me the following shortcuts: new investments, folio lookup, capital gain, unrealized gain, insurance, my SIP and my orders. I would briefly take you through some of the options available to help you understand how well can you check your portfolios. Let's go at folio lookup. Here you can see the investments made by me and the current valuation of the investments available. You can check it individual folio wise and decide. Next we go on to the capital gain option. I had already emphasized upon the capital gain option in my previous comment. I would again like to give you a brief information on this. Once you download the capital gains statement for your investments for the financial year, you can see each and every transaction has been listed date wise in terms of the start date of investment, the purchase date, the purchase price, the number of units sold, the date of sell of units, the capital gain arised on that investment and the profit or loss made by you. This capital gain account statement can be shared with your CA so that your income tax filing becomes smooth. Now we'll go on to the next option available under this tab, and that is insurance. This option will show you all the life and health insurance policies held by you under the banner of Think. Here you can see that I have a term plan of rupees 5 lakh for which I am paying a premium of 1830 rupees and the policy is still in force. It will also give me the renewal date on which I need to pay the premium. Apart from that, I also can see the health and general insurance information available. If you can see, I have a health insurance policy with an exclusive plan. The sum insured and the premium mentioned under the plan is covered here. I also have a top-up plan available and a standard plan available. Let's quickly understand the menu option and what's in store for you. Under the menu option, we can make a new investment. We can check a folio number that we have already invested into. We can generate a capital gain account statement that can be shared with the CA. All the insurance policies held under the Think banner can be seen here. Under My SIPs, you can also check the amount of SIPs that are registered under your name. Apart from that, there are some cool features available once you have a desktop or a laptop login. You can also upload your most important documents like PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport, driving license, to name a few. And you can also check your risk profile by answering the risk profiler questionnaire on the desktop login. So go ahead and log into your portfolio and share your feedback.
Let me ask you now, Now that I have given you both the solutions, I have shown you both the solutions, what do you think of it? Do let us know in the comments box below or on the numbers that are getting flashed right now. For all those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, it's time that you hit the subscribe button as well as click on the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Guru Gurvar.